Hi everyone, I'm Jillian Garrett. I'm the owner of Blue Ridge Farm. I wanted to take a moment to talk about companion planting as well as succession planting. Here in our greenhouse, I'm kneeling next to my heirloom pepper plant row. And you'll notice that I have heads of lettuce and onions in between the pepper plants in here. Now the reason I do that is because pepper plants obviously need a really warm environment before you put them in the ground. We usually wait until the nights are 46 degrees or warmer, or when we're ready to turn the greenhouse heater on to 46 degrees or warmer. And we don't put them in the ground until then because the cold might shock them. Now that's kind of wasted space until about June in the garden. Whereas I like to come in and plant lettuce and onions in that row early in the spring, down the center of the row where I'm not going to put my pepper plants. And that way I can still get a crop out of it before the peppers are really in the ground and producing. As I come in and I harvest the heads of lettuce, I plant summer flowers in their place, like dahlias. You'll see a lot of dahlias going into this row. And it's a great way to not only get 2 or 3 crops out of one row, but lettuce and onions are great companion plants for peppers too.